it's already mid-June. Our last garden tour was last month, so let's do another one. Let's start here. This is a plum tree where I harvested some fruits yesterday. Here's my gorgeous plum harvest. And some are ready again, like this, and like more up there. Here too. They're like siniguelas in the Philippines. We have a similar fruit like siniguelas, but plums are a little bigger. And then more up there. So that's a plum tree. Behind the plum tree is a variegated calamondin tree. So this is our herb garden. And then, oh, this one too. These fruits are ready. We have here and here. And then I showed this last week at the weekend gardening. This is a milkweed where monarch butterflies lay their eggs. This is a nectarine tree. It has a lot of fruits too, as you can see from here. But they won't be ready until probably like a couple of months. And then we have basil here. Bees love this basil. I think this is Thai basil. I'm not like really sure. This is oregano. And then we have mint here too. Shiso growing here. And then this is thyme. This is, I can't remember anymore. I think this is another herb too, but I haven't used it. And this is a laurel plant, like laurel leaves or bay leaves. You can either use this fresh like this. I like using this fresh, and you can also dry it. The ones at the store are dried. And this is also used to, if you want to like clean the house from like negative energy. You can burn either sage or like bay leaves. And then this is lemon verbena, nasturtium. This is fennel, which is growing taller than me. Another fennel here. And then we have the tree kale here. And look at these gorgeous lilies. Oh, they are so beautiful. And they only bloom once a year, around this time. This is the tree kale. This is yuzu lemon. And then this is Valencia orange. This is the grapevine, blueberry grapes. And look at all these fruits. They're very, very prolific. Lots of fruits. Look at this. This one hanging here. This is a very prolific grapevine. There. And then here too. Look at them. And this one next to the grapevine is the like 6 citrus. There's lemon, there are oranges, and then lime. This is a lemon. Look at how beautiful. This is Eureka lemon. And there is a Meyer lemon here too. So one Eureka, one Meyer, and then I think there are 3 varieties of oranges, and then one and then lime, bear's lime. Look at the grapes. And then let's move. This is another grapevine, the perlet grapes. It's also loaded with tiny fruits. Look at all these like fruits. So this one stays green. This is eggplant. Let me check. This is fairy tale eggplant. Ooh, look at the flower buds. And this one is another eggplant. This is the Rosa Bianca. We have grown this before, but this one is new. Here we have the kumquat. This is a kumquat tree. There are more fruits here, and this is the fig tree. I pruned a few branches of this fig tree because it's growing like wide and tall. So these are the tiny fruits of a fig tree. This is going to be ready in probably a couple of months too. So look at all those fruits, and up there too, all the way to the other side. And then here we have the blueberry bush, and there are fruits too, even down here. Oops, it fell off. It's getting busy. The street is getting busy. These are the raised beds. We have 3 here. This is where we grow our leafy greens during fall and winter time. But then during summertime, we use this for sun-loving crops like the eggplant. I see some flowers on this eggplant. Look at the flowers. Look at this flower. There you go. Beautiful. And then, oh, the birds. And then here we have the peppers, different varieties of peppers. This is padron. We had this in Barcelona, and we really like it. So now there's a lot of noise. Now we are growing it, and there are fruits that are ready. Maybe I can like cook this later. And then we have Shiseido here. We have Anaheim. We have Serrano. We have different we have sweet Hungarian peppers. Different varieties of peppers. Now it's very loud. And then here we have 4 different varieties of tomatoes. Look at this tomato. It's not ready yet. And then there are tiny ones here. It's been like really gloomy, so the tomatoes are struggling. They're just growing tall. They need sunlight. And this one has fruits. Look at this, a lot of fruits. These are ready. Look, beautiful. This is sun chocolate. I'm going to harvest this later. These are the 3 tomatoes. And then let's move back. Oh, I forgot to show you. We have another pot here. We have another container here with, guess what? This is cucumber. Persian cucumbers. Let's move on to the other side. This is citronelle. So this is a midnight snack. Look how tall. And then there is another variety of pepper here. This is a little bigger than like this. Oh, they are starting. These are ready. Oh, we have like 1, 2, 3 that are ready. And we have more here. This one is sun gold. We have grown these varieties before. There's sun gold, and then this midnight snack. Another tomato here, and 1 more tomato here, and another one here. So there are like 5 varieties of tomatoes on this side. And then here we have, this is a blueberry bush, and we have 3 varieties of tomatoes on that side. 1, 2, and then 3. And this is the calamansi or calamondine, which is also loaded with fruits that are ready. Oops, that's a bee. Look at all these fruits. And more over there, as you can see. And it's like really tall now. Look at that. And this is a sunflower. You can see this from the dining area, so it's going to be beautiful when it starts to bloom. And then we have a lemon tree there. So there are fruits up there, and there are more fruits down here. And then this is, I need to uproot this, use the leaves and then uproot because it's already bolting. It's taller than me now. This is Swiss chard. And here we have basil, shiso, tarragon, and then okra. And this is onion. I love this hibiscus. We call this gumamela in the Philippines. This is a peach tree, red baron peach tree. Another one that is loaded. On this side we have a pear tree. This is an Anjou pear. Look at the fruits, and there are more fruits up there. Like tiny fruits growing. This one too. More down there. And this is the red-veined sorrel. What else? Oh, and then we have these beans. I think they're a little struggling too because they really need. Oh my gosh! There are beans that are ready. I didn't know. Look. See? I think these are ready. Oh my! It's exciting. This one too, right? And then this one, I need to. Oh, there are like this already too. Maybe I can harvest later. Oh, I have a lot to harvest later then. This one. I think I need to take care of them so they crawl up. This is I showed earlier, this is a red baron peach tree. Branch is already falling because it's like super loaded with a lot of fruits. And this is a whiskey barrel with strawberries. Look at our hydrangea. It's so beautiful. We have more on the other side. This is apricot tree. There are fruits too. I'm going to show you on the other side. And then here is another. This is another blueberry bush. This one is another pear tree, an Asian pear. Here we have some corn and some squash. The squash are forming tiny fruits like this one. That's the green. That's a yellow one. Oh, this one is ready, I think. Or should I wait until this grows a little bigger? Maybe I'll wait a little bit longer. This one is a green zucchini. And then we have the corn here. And the corn has some flowers too. Look at that. This. And that one. And this is our wing beans. Some more are like growing here. You see? That one is just starting to sprout. And this. So there are more actually. I thought there's only like a few of them that terminated. Now we have more. This is a yarrow. It's just a flowering plant, a drought tolerant plant. And then this is a nectar plum, a cross between nectarine and plum. This is the fruit of a nectar plum. They will be ready soon too, probably in a month. Look at all the fruits. This is cherry moya. Look at the leaves, and it has fruits too, or actually flowers. I think these are flowers. The flowers are not like, the flowers are like really simple like that. Just green. This one is a southern peach. It has a lot of fruits too. I need to harvest. I already harvested the other day. More fruits here. Like here. This is a cherry tree, but it's not flowering yet. And there's a plane up there. Southwest Airlines. And let's go to the other side. We have another tomato here. Tomato leaves actually smell good. A cluster of fruits, and then another cluster of fruits there, and then up there. And this is a lemon tree. I think I forgot to show this earlier. So this is a Eureka lemon tree. Let's go to the other side. And this one growing next to the whiskey barrel with blueberry bush. This is a celery, a pink celery. This is from like a couple of seasons ago, from like the seeds that like fell on the ground. Look at all the fruits of this like red baron peach tree. And we have another citronelle here, and we have another, oh my, it's falling on the blueberry. I'm just waiting to harvest these fruits, and then I'm going to cut this off, this branch. Here we have strawberries all the way out there, and then that is rosemary. This is lavender, French lavender. And then I planted this the other day. This is the colorful spinach. And then this one I think is orange mint. I think this is like chocolate mint, and then another one is strawberry mint. So the different varieties of mint. And this is an apple tree. This is an apple, and here's the fruit. And then let's go to the other side. Need to duck here. We have Persian cucumbers. This is a raspberry bush, blackberry, more strawberries here. This is gooseberry. This is gooseberry. This is boysenberry. This is dragon fruit. And then these are not like edible plants anymore. These are wildflowers. Beautiful wildflowers. So let's end our garden tour here by the wildflowers. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.